we've struggled with night lights in the past because they're so bright, but we find that this one works really, really well. It's not too distracting, but it alleviates some of that fear of the dark, which I think we really appreciated. Hi, my name's Will, and we have been using the Euky Bear Sweet Dreams sleep aid with our little 1-year-old Harper, and have honestly really loved it. It's become very quickly part of our bedtime routine and stays on all night, and I think that we really enjoyed. Previously we were using iPads or phones and things like that, and this has been a very quick fix to that, which is great. And also as the nightlight, and especially the pulsating red, works really, really well. It's not too distracting. The scents and the oil, we've probably been a bit scared of things like that in the past because of the heat of steam, but it makes it very, I think, worry-free, but also really effective. As soon as you put it in, immediately the room smells. A very easy recommendation. We're going to keep using it, and we'll probably keep using it for a long time.